The Araneta Center is a 35-hectare commercial mixed-use area situated in Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. It is located between Epifanio de los Santos Avenue (EDSA) and Aurora Boulevard and hosts the stations of the Manila Metro Rail Transit System (MRT3) and the Manila Light Rail Transit System Line 2 (LRT2). Araneta Center, Inc., a company of the Araneta Group, is the developer, owner, and manager of the commercial area. History: The 35 hectares 86 acres property which the Araneta Center stands was purchased by J. Amado Araneta in 1952. The land, which stood between Highway 54 now EDSA, Aurora Boulevard, P. Tuazon Boulevard, and 15th Avenue. As of 1959, the area is remote and located in an area designated for suburban mass housing and frequented by Hukbalahap rebels. The original owner of the property was the Radio Company of America, RCA. Initially, Araneta purchased only 4 hectares (9.9 acres) from RCA and built his residence in 1953 which would become known as Bahay na Puti, White House. It was in 1955 that Araneta purchased the remaining 31 hectares 77 acres from RCA. In 1956, Araneta sold a portion of the property to the Philippine National Bank which proceeded to set up a branch in the area. On the same year, the first Aguinaldo department store, a well-known retailer, established its first branch beyond Manila. Araneta's Progressive Development Corporation (PDC) relocated its offices from Plaza Cervantes in Binondo, Manila to the Araneta Enterprise Building along Aurora Avenue. PDC would be tasked to develop the Araneta Coliseum. There was rapid development following the opening of the Araneta Coliseum in 1960. In the 1970s, buildings around it start to appear including Ali Mall, SM Cubao, Fiesta Carnival, now the site of Shopwise Hypermarket, Plaza Fair, New Frontier Theater, now Kia Theater, COD Department Store, Uniwide Cubao, and the Aurora Tower. A 20-year redevelopment project with a 30 billion pesos budget, known as the Araneta Center Master Plan, was unveiled in 2002, and aims to transform the Araneta Center into a transit-oriented garden city. The first phase was started with the construction of the Gateway Mall and was considered by Araneta Center, Inc. to be the catalyst of this redevelopment project. The redevelopment included the modernization of the Araneta Coliseum, with endorsement of Smart Communications, as well as the revival of the New Frontier Theater, with endorsement Kia Motors, the uplifting and renovations of Shopwise, Ali Mall, and SM Cubao. The Manhattan Garden City, a joint venture residential project by Araneta Center and Megaworld Corporation, consisting of 18 residential towers. The Novotel Manila Araneta Center, a joint venture hotel project by the Araneta Center with the Accor Group. The Cyberpark Araneta Center, a 5-tower BPO complex surrounding an outdoor park, together with a planned cyber mall, currently under development. A new mall, Gateway Mall 2, the expansion of the award-winning Gateway Mall, currently under construction, including the upcoming Ibis Styles Hotel. And a upcoming, iconic, Civic Plaza composing 5 60-story towers including the Spanish Steps from the Manhattan Plaza and the Icon Tower within Shopwise Hypermarket. Facilities retail. The Araneta Center hosts numerous shopping establishments including Ali Mall, Farmers Plaza, Gateway Mall, Shopwise, Pure Gold, and SM Cubao. The Gateway Tower, a mixed-used building, is adjacent to the Gateway Mall, adding 18,000 square meters, known as the Gateway Tower Mall, and the Aurora Tower, houses Isidan in its 7 floors. There is also a marketplace called the Farmers Market is also hosted in the area. A new, upcoming expansion of the Gateway Mall, named the Gateway Mall 2, now under construction, and additional retail and food and beverages F&B rows located at Manhattan Garden City, known as the Manhattan Row, and in Cyberpark Araneta Center. The center also houses the National Bookstore Superbranch located beside the Gateway Mall Hotel, and residential building complexes are also hosted within the Araneta Center's grounds such as the Manhattan Garden City, the first transit-oriented residential complex, occupying 5.7 hectares of the Araneta Center, along with 4 phases, Manhattan Parkway, Manhattan Parkview, Manhattan Heights, and Manhattan Plaza, and Vivaldi Residences Cubao residential projects. Among the hotels in the commercial area, is the Novotel Manila, Eurotel, Dreamworld Hotel and the upcoming 24-story Ibis Styles Hotel Araneta Center, the first Ibis Styles hotel in country, also owned by Accor Hotels. The Araneta Mansion, the official residence of the Araneta family also known as the White House, Bahay na Puti, is also within the commercial area. Event venues in the Araneta Center include the Smart Araneta Coliseum, a 20,000-seater indoor arena, and the 2,500-seater New Frontier Theater, as well as the Manhattan Row, for outdoor events. Offices. The Araneta Center also hosts office towers, the Aurora Tower, an 87 meters (285.4 feet), 22-story, mixed-use tower with office and penthouse spaces, with Isidan occupying its first 7 floors. It is also the former headquarters of the Araneta Group, and houses currently the Philippine Pizza Corporation, the J. Amado Araneta Foundation, Progressive Development Corporation of the Araneta Group, the Consulate of Colombia, the Colombian Embassy and the Jerry Roxas Foundation. The Gateway Tower, Cubao, a 31-story, PEZA-certified, mixed-use tower, with 75,056 square meters of office, retail, and penthouse, houses companies like the Araneta Group, Accenture, Regis, AIG, T-Tech, and also houses the Gateway Gallery, the Topiary Garden, Keller Williams, and the Acquire Asia Pacific Philippines Recruitment Facility. There is also a Philippine American Life and General Insurance Company office building located beside Gateway Mall. The Cyberpark Araneta Center, an 8-hectare, PEZA-certified, business process outsourcing and LEED-certified green development, with 5 towers and 2 levels of retail, is being developed. The first tower, Cyberpark Tower 1, having 94,013 square meters of office spaces, is complete, and currently houses TELUS, 24/7 In Touch, Stellar, Sterling Backcheck, Alorica, Genesis, and the Vibble Group. The second tower, Cyberpark Tower 2, having 74,722 square meters, is under construction, and is set for 2018. Transportation 2 elevated rail stations serves the area, the Araneta Center Cubao MRT and LRT stations. Also in the center is the jeepney terminal located in front of the Cyberpark Tower 2 which is still under construction. Jeepneys also go to the center via P. Tuazon Boulevard, Aurora Boulevard, and Gen. Romulo Avenue. The center offers free shuttle rides from Alamal, under the skybridge linking SM, to Gateway LRT Concourse. A new bus terminal, which aims to replace the current Araneta Center bus station, called the Araneta Center Busport, serves routes to and from towns or cities in the Bicol region, southern Tagalog, Mindanao, and Visayas. Located in front of Ali Mall and under the Manhattan Heights Tower D, the bus terminal's former location, it was last inaugurated on March 14, 2017 after a renovation and resumed operations on the next day. As of March 2017, the transport hub accommodates air-conditioned buses from 19 companies. The Araneta Center Busport has a daily capacity of 8,000 passengers. The center also has a premium bus service with UBE Express, providing a point-to-point bus service from the Araneta Center to Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminals 1-4. Parking and interconnectivity. The center has parking spaces and linking bridges in each mall to ensure interconnectivity, pedestrian-friendly driveways, and retail, residential, and office space within the transit-oriented district. The Araneta Center Parking Building, located at the east side of the Araneta Coliseum and beside the Novotel Manila Araneta Center, is the first parking structure in the Philippines that is a green building, which helps reduce carbon footprint. References.